I told you guys a long time ago when I started my channel, I added in transparency in my channel name because I want to highlight the good and the bad. Unfortunately, we highlight a lot of the bad because it pisses me off when officers try to violate my rights or someone else's rights. That's not what freedom in America is supposed to be all about. With that being said, I want to keep my promise. I watched this video of an officer doing a good job. I want to highlight that. Check it out, folks. Let me know what you think.
It's Officer Akins. Okay. You're not in trouble, man. You're not in trouble at all. I just want to talk to you, man.
It's not going to help.
Well, I'm not. Listen, man. I'm not even supposed to be working right now. I'm just on overtime. But I heard you were in trouble, so I wanted to come help you.
It is no help for me.
Well, I don't think that's true. You've been a good guy with me before. We've always been able to talk.
When you take me to the hospital, I'll get down.
What's that?
When I get right to the hospital, I'll get down.
Okay. I will personally take you to the hospital if you want. Okay.
I'm about ready to just jump.
Well, I don't want you to jump.
You promise you'll take me?
I promise on my life. Let's just keep units a fair distance away from now. He's agreed to come off the ledge. I'm going to go up to the top, and he's agreeing to go to the hospital with me. We're on the bottom floor. I'm out.
Back way! Back way! I'm going in the middle of traffic.
It's me, Officer Akins, okay?
You want to talk to me coming this way? I don't want to talk to me.
Okay. 9128 to 9188. If you guys could stay over there, he's saying he doesn't want to talk to you guys. You're making him nervous. Just let me go for it. I'll try to get him in custody here. Just let me talk to you, okay?
Tell them to back way.
I just did. I told them to back up, okay? You're going to talk to me, okay?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. All right. Are you doing okay, man?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Give me a hug, okay? Come on.
I'm sorry.
I know. I want the best for you, okay?
I just need help.
I know.
That's all I want.
Come on over here to my car, okay, man?
I'm sorry.
You don't have any weapons on you or anything,
No,
right?
I don't.
Okay. All right.
I want to know who called.
I know.
I think I know who it was. I'm not feeling great.
Okay. I'm Jason. Do you remember me responsible?
I wanted to share that video because, in my opinion, that officer did a really good job. I know that officers have a job to do and sometimes they have to deal with unstable people. It takes a lot of patience to deal with folks sometimes. I believe when officers show signs of being impatient, they should be sent home because they're on our time anyways. They're getting paid to be there. We want to see police officers helping people, not beating them up and throwing them in cages just because they don't listen to them. One of the things I want to do on my channel as well is highlight the good because we need to demonstrate how police officers should be acting. That way bad police officers have an idea of how to behave. I'm going to show you guys a clip from a public official that I spoke to in McFarland, California. Same place that Kevin Costner movie was made, based on a true story. But this here public official recently reached out to me and invited me back to go check out the school and the work that he's doing there. This is transparency, folks. Both videos demonstrate what I mean when I say I added transparency in my channel name for a reason. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Check out this clip. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Here we go, folks. I can tell just by listening to you that you don't seem to have anything to hide. You do seem to be transparent. We do see a lot of public officials that act crazy when they see a camera. They don't know that we have a First Amendment right, yada, yada, yada. And they do really seem like they have something to hide. So we do have a lot of public officials that do watch our videos. Some appreciate what we do, some don't. What would you have to say to a public official that's watching you right now when they see us with cameras? Do you have any advice or anything for a public official?
The square footage you guys are standing on here, I didn't pay for it. You guys pay for it. This is the people's office. This is the people's school district. You know, we've all said the Pledge of Allegiance, the Declaration of Independence, all those founding documents. You can, you know, we're living in very polarized political times, and that's unfortunate because I'll tell you what, my parents immigrated here from Mexico, and I love Mexico. I'm not bashing Mexico, but There's a reason why my parents came here from Mexico, because this is still the greatest nation on the face of the earth. This is a place where in one generation, you can go from picking grapes to running a small school district, because that's the power of this. And the moment that you feel like, the moment I feel that this is mine, then I stop being a public servant and I start being a self-servant. And I tell my wife that in this job, it's not a timer, it's an hourglass. Because the moment you fall in love with these jobs and you start doing things to keep these jobs, that's when you've already lost the mission and the purpose.
For those of you that know, this is illegal. He's stealing a car and they're letting him do it. So we're going to send this to San Joaquin Transparency, because these guys never followed the... That's all right. They do it all dang day. So are you, and you're no better than me. So are you. Do you see the ignorance of the cops? So am I. I'm filming you breaking the law. It's going on the internet.
That pretty much does it for today's video, folks. Always record the police. Don't be like Mesa police officers where they have a disdain for the public. They hate to be recorded, folks. If you guys record police and you want me to highlight your videos or your channel, send your links to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. If you want us to keep you anonymous, let us know. We'll do that as well. Keep your phones handy, folks. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.